In this video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Roblox with QR code. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see here, I'm now logged into Roblox in my computer. However, I'm logged in my phone, which means I can use the QR code I will get from this login Roblox page in my phone to log into my account quickly. However, you can also do the opposite, where you are logged in your computer and you can use a code from your computer to log into your phone. For the first method, if you are trying to log into your computer by scanning the QR code with your phone, just go to the Roblox login page and select Login with another login device. Once you click this button, you should automatically get this pop-up that has the QR code and also a PIN that you can use by opening up the Roblox app on your phone, selecting Settings, and selecting the Quick Login button. Once you select Quick Login from the settings, it will give you the option to scan this QR code or use the code in the option queue, and you'll be able to automatically and quickly log in to your account on your computer. Likewise, if you are already logged in to your computer and you want to quickly log in your phone, you can also use the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen, select Quick Login from the drop-down menu, and enter the code from your phone or from the other device when you click Log in with another device. I hope I was able to help you on how to log into Roblox with QR code. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.